Revamping your curly wig is one of the easiest things to do. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, thank you for clicking. Now let's get into the video. So this is the state of my wig, right? I'm just going to use my fingers to detangle it. The next step, I'm going to section the wig and use an actual brush to detangle it. You can also use a wide tooth comb if you have it. You see, sometimes water and intentional detangling can make your wig look better. So the next step is to wash your wig. You want to take all the dirt out of that wig because that's what is making the wig look so messy. So the next step is we're going to wash this wig with a lukewarm water. You're going to do this method about 2 to 3 times, because you want your water to be clear. If it's clear, that's when you will know that the hair is no longer dirty. But if it's still brown, you still have work to do. And if it's a lot of wigs you're revamping, you want to get a bowl and put the shampoo inside the bowl. I'm putting the shampoo on the wig because it's just one. So whichever method is okay by you. So to me, washing your lace is the most sensitive part of revamping your wig. So that's why I like to be very careful to avoid matting, to avoid so many things. So I'm just going to spread the shampoo on the lace like butter, like I'm doing, and massage it through. I'm not going to start scrubbing and oh no. This shampoo, I'm just going to put it there, massage a little bit, then wash off. I'm not doing too much because that lace So after washing, I'm going in with my conditioner. So I'm not going to be managing product. I'm going to put the conditioner very well because the more conditioner you put, the more soft your hair is going to be. It's going to be lush. You're just going to love it. So there's no need to manage products. Just put enough conditioner. So after your washing and your conditioning, the next thing you should do is to brush the wig, because this wig has gone through so much stress, and if you leave it like that, it's just going to tangle and tangle. So you have to brush the wig to prevent it from tangling. Like, to me, this wig is already looking so good compared to how it was in the beginning of this video. And note that you can use any shampoo and any conditioner of your choice. I just use this because I love it. Like, that Treseme shampoo smells so good, and immediately I use it on my wig, it just gets so soft. I've used it on my natural hair before as well, and oh my god, it makes my hair so soft immediately. So now I'll be applying this argan oil just to lock in moisture, to make it shine. And you don't want to put too much, like 2 to 3 drops is enough. So I'm just going to massage it into the wig and the strands. So this step is completely optional if you don't want to do too much, but I'm doing it because I just want that extra lush hair, you know, but it's optional. But if you have the means, then you can do it too. It's just a treatment. Like, revamping your wig is very easy, but most people see it as a big deal because when they just hear revamp, they're like, hey, I beg you. But it's actually easy. It's just like washing your natural, like the normal hair on your head. You're going to wash it, you're going to condition it, you're going to comb it out. Like, it's the same thing. You just have to be careful, that's all. So now this is how my wig is looking. It looks so healthy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put it inside a nylon. If you have a ziplock bag, you can put it inside a ziplock, but I don't have a ziplock. So I'm just going to put it inside this nylon and put it in hot water and cover it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Please don't let it get longer than that. Don't let it stay longer than that, please. So this is 30 minutes later and I'm getting the wig out. I'm going to wash it with cold water. I'm not going to be using hot water because, you know, hot water makes your wig dry. And I have already tried my best to put in moisture in this wig, and putting hot water is just going to, you know, take back the moisture. So I'm going to be washing it with cold water. Please share this video to that friend that has a curly wig because she's going to be needing it. You have to be very careful with your wig. Just dipping it inside the water like that and massaging it will get the product out. You don't need to, you know, and do it so aggressive. So the next step is to let it air dry. I'll be styling this wig in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.